Hey, what's up world? Welcome to United Cuisines, your show for international recipes to thank our Greek friends and show our endless appreciation to the goddess of casserole. We will prepare moussaka. It's very simple and, okay, not really, but it's worth the effort, so stick with me. We will structure the process into 3 steps: cooking the ground beef, preparing a bechamel sauce, and baking some vegetables. Start preheating your oven to 190 degrees Celsius, peel and slice a huge zucchini, an even bigger eggplant, and 3 potatoes. Slice the potatoes thinly, but not as thin as potato chips. The eggplant and zucchini slices should be thicker, about the size of your little finger. Get your baking sheet in line, place some parchment paper on top and help them to unite. Spread your veggie slices over it. It's alright if they cover each other by half their size. Sprinkle some olive oil on top and brush them. It's important that you show your vegetables some attention. Before transferring them into a preheated oven for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Moving on to step 2, preparing the ground beef. Whoa, easy tiger, we know that you became real good at chopping, but hey, wait for us. Or don't, okay, just go on and chop your big onion into small cubes, followed by a handful of parsley. Move over to your stove and saute the onion with a tablespoon of vegetable oil over medium heat for approximately 5 minutes. Let a crushed clove of garlic join the party, as well as a teaspoon of cinnamon and sugar. Place the ground cinnamon directly on the pan, which should turn it fragrant after a minute or so. Give everything a good mix and make some space for the ground meat. You can slightly increase the heat to medium-high now and fry the beef with some more vegetable oil. Make sure to press it with your wooden spoon. We do not want to end up with beef nuggets. Mix it with the onions and add a tablespoon of tomato paste as well as a teaspoon of oregano. Once the meat is almost fully cooked, reduce the temperature to medium-low and add 400 grams of canned tomatoes into your pan. The brand we trust uses ripe Italian tomatoes. Let simmer for 5 to 10 minutes till the water evaporates and the sauce thickens. Season to taste with salt and pepper. Turn off the stove, mix in the chopped parsley, set aside and smash that like button. Good, now let's move on to the final prep step, the bechamel sauce. Yes, for some the mother of all sauces. Don't be intimidated though, the process is super simple, but you gotta sacrifice your strong arm while whisking for your life. Melt the butter in a pot and sweat the flour in it over medium heat. Once the flour sweated itself golden, we will help it cool down by adding some milk. Don't pour in all the milk at once, but rather a cup at a time and whisk it thoroughly before adding more. This helps to avoid lumps from forming, so we can end up with a nice smooth bechamel sauce. Once all the milk is in, continuously whisk until the bechamel starts boiling and thickening. Eventually it should be a bit creamy. If your arm falls off after 5 to 10 minutes without your bechamel thickening a bit, don't worry. Take the pot off the stove and mix in half a teaspoon of nutmeg as well as 3 egg yolks. Whisk immediately after adding the yolks, otherwise they will harden like poached eggs. Follow up with 50 grams of grated Parmigiano-Reggiano, and lastly, season with salt and pepper. It's important to season at the end, for Parmigiano itself is salty. And ta-da! You mastered the epic bechamel sauce, which definitely should have thickened by now. Mix in 1 ladle of bechamel into the meat and also get your veggies out of the oven. They should be done by now for sure. Moving on to the final step, assembling the moussaka. Have all your ingredients in reach and start by greasing an oven-safe form before spreading the veggies in it. Put the potatoes on the bottom, followed by the slices of eggplant, a pinch of salt and zucchini. Make sure to preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and then grab the meat and spread it over the veggies. Use your spatula to level the playing field. We want everyone to get his fair share, especially when it comes to dishes as great as this moussaka. Finally, we give the bechamel sauce one last good stir. Pour it over the meat and sprinkle the remaining 50 grams of Parmigiano on top. Transfer the heavy form to the oven and keep your shoulders back and back straight while doing so. We don't want you to pull a muscle or worse, pinch a nerve. Let your casserole bake for 35 minutes until a golden crust forms on top. Once done, slip into your kitchen gloves and bring our gorgeous moussaka home safely. And there you go, my friend, a breeze of grease made into your very own kitchen. While it cools down a bit, pick up your spatula and feel free to try yourself in the art of sword fighting. Just make sure to not hurt yourself, my friend. Alrighty, look for the best place to perform the incision and get your decently sized piece of this wonderful Greek treat. Our moussaka recipe is able to easily serve 6 hungry foodies and provide them with enough energy to take on 300 Spartans. Okay, probably not 300, but still 600 calories per serving coming from an almost equal amount of around 35 grams of fat, carbs and protein will go a long way. If you are open-minded and interested in trying foods from cultures around the globe, make sure to join our community and share with us your favorite dish from home in the comment section below. Please consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet, and until next time with another international recipe here at United Cuisines. Thank you, my Greek friends. Kali orexi.